Welcome to Tracy Real Estate. Today we are standing with Ravindra. He's secured a nice investment property and we are here to get his feedback on that investment property. So Ravindra, how you're feeling on the investment property? How was your experience working with us on that investment?
So I really wanted to share, I remember he was coming back from the London and he gave me a call. Ravi, there is a one very good property which is in the market, and are you looking forward to invest? I was not thinking about it even at that point of time. He explained me everything, and I said on his phone, he said, I only have got 12 hours, you have to decide, and he supplied with me all the details and everything. So I had trust on him. Without looking at the property, I invested in this property. Today I went there, and when I looked at the property, I was so happy about it. And even I feel like in like 3-4 months, I've already gained in my property before getting the position of that property. So I feel that's a very good decision, and it's always a big decision for you when you're investing in a property, and it's not a small investment, it's a big investment, it's for a long time. So I thank you for the guidance in the sense I was not aware about that location, and everything which was he told me was real, and everything was to the point what I'm getting in the sense of the property and what I'm looking forward in when I'm investing into it. So thanks for that, and I feel like that was a great opportunity I got.
Okay, so nice. We secured that property for him. Just in last one thing, right? What you like overall working with us, right?
So when I'm investing, I want somebody who needs to be very professional. So he was very professional, and then honesty, and everything was happening on time. I remember that late night I was sitting and filling the form till 1 a.m. or 1:30. I called him at 1:30 a.m. and he was there to help me out, and he told me Ravi, you need to do this, and he's resolved all those issues. So he's very professional, to the point, honest, and if he's telling you something, today I visited after 6 months and I found everything what he told me and more than that.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.